Can you imagine trying to live a life being someone you're not, just to live by the standard of society? Because if you do so, आपको अलग कर दिया जाएगा. It's not impossible to imagine, but quite sad to realize that it's very much prevalent in our society. In today's video, we are going to talk about a topic which is not mostly talked about at homes or in our societies. अब imagine कर ही रहे हैं तो सोचिए जरा. How would you feel if a healthy person is declared sick by the society? Normal होकर भी abnormal करार देना, आपकी पूरी आइडेंटिटी को डिसमिस कर देना, जबरदस्ती का imposition और diagnosis. This is what a person from an LGBTQIA community feels like every day. The moment they express themselves, all of us start counseling them, treating them as if they're being delusional. और इसी को हम कहते हैं homophobia. Now before we go any further, let's brush up your basics. What exactly is LGBTQIA? LGBTQIA is an umbrella term standing for lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, intersectional, and asexual. It encompasses the broad spectrum of sexuality and gender. And what exactly is the difference between sex and gender? Sex is a biological phenomenon, whereas gender is a social construct. बस सारी प्रॉब्लम सोसाइटी से लेके जेंडर पे शुरू होती है. The moment anything gets defined by society, it creates a certain standard norm. And then if you don't live by these certain norms, the trouble begins for you. The same happens with the people of LGBTQIA community. What exactly is the issue and what are they fighting about? इसको समझने के लिए थोड़ा पास्ट में चलते हैं. Historically, in every documented culture, homosexual people or people in love with same sex were persecuted and were not accepted. Some source states that social movements regarding the LGBTQ community started back in the 18th century, where these people organized in defiance of persecution at the hands of state, church or medical authorities. क्योंकि कोई एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करना चाहता था इस बात को. फिर 20th सेंचुरी में आता है फेमिनिज्म और फिर बनता है मोमेंटम अराउंड द इशू. अब लोगों में थोड़ी कम झिझक है. People were shocked at any deviation from limited understanding of masculine and feminine. या तो तुम लड़की हो या लड़का, ये बीच में क्या कर रहे हो? Exactly, that's where the problem lies. However, the first gay demonstration took place in 1965 in Philadelphia and Washington, D.C. as civil rights won new legislation led by activists Fran Kameny and Barbara Gittings. On June 28, 1969, in New Green, Witch Village people fought back against a police raid in a famous bar called Stonewall Inn. और फिर क्या था? Stonewall बन गया a watershed movement of gay pride and since then is commemorated. Since the 1970s, pride marches are held every June across the United States. अब थोड़ा Indian context देखते हैं. In 1861, British rule के time पे Section 377 was introduced, modeled on the Buggery Act of 1533, which criminalized sexual activities against the order of nature, illegal including homosexual activities. But after the decades of struggle and battle on 6 September 2018, the Supreme Court of India ruled that the application of Section 377 to consensual homosexual sex between adults was unconstitutional, irrational, indefensible, and manifestly arbitrary. This judgment is still hailed as a landmark regarding the rights of LGBTQIA. However, their struggle still continues. हम इतने homophobic हैं कि terms like gay, lesbian, queer बहुत derogatory लगता है. ये एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी है जिसको सोसाइटी में एट लार्ज अभी भी एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है। हर छोटी से छोटी और बड़ी से बड़ी चीज के लिए इनको स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है। Therefore, it is our duty to make them feel secure and raise voice for them and their cause. We need to create a more healthy and inclusive society for one and for all. Let them come out of the closet as you open the door for them. Repeat after me. We all are equal. Or should the question be, are we really equal? If not, what are you doing for it?